When you don't specify an access modifier, you implicitly still specify an access modifier, namely the default access modifier. The default access modifier makes members only visible from within the same package. It is also known as the package private access modifier. It's used to indicate that a member, such as a field, method, or constructor, can be accessed from within the same package, but not outside this package. So from outside, you cannot access the default members. Here's an example. Members marked with the default access level are not explicitly marked with any access modifier. As you can see, we just have int x, nothing is being specified. To access and modify the value of x, we can specify the following code in the same package in a method. So we can create an instance of my class, and then we can just access x like we did before to assign a value to it. And if we want to retrieve the value, we do so with the name of the instance, in this case object.x. Methods can also be default. And a default method is again a class member that can be called from within the same package as the class, but not from other packages. So to call the default print message method from within the same package as my class, we simply write my class, give the name object in this case, equals new my class, and then we can say object.printMessage and just access it. The only important thing is that this must be in the same package, otherwise the print message is not going to be accessible. So our package private access modifier, the default access modifier, is used to control the visibility and accessibility of a class member. When there is no explicit access modifier, it gives the default access, which means that it can be accessed from within the same package. Let's have a look at a practical demo of the default modifier in IntelliJ in the next video.